Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we have got this square ABCD, and moreover, we got a triangle BCF, as you can see in this diagram, such that all these three angles in it are congruent. And now we are going to find the value of this angle X. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. We know that this ABCD is a square. So therefore, all of its side lengths are equal. All these side lengths are same. And now let's focus on this triangle BCF. We know that all of its angles are congruent. So therefore, this is an equilateral triangle. So that means this side is equal to this side length, and this side length is also same. So therefore, we can say that this side AB is equal to this side BF. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this triangle ABF, and we know this is an isosceles triangle since this side length equal to this side length. And moreover, let's focus on this triangle BCF once again, and we know that all these angles in it are congruent. So that means all of these angles are going to be 60 degrees each. And now we can see that this angle B is 90 degrees and this angle is 60 degrees. So this angle has got to be 90 minus 60 is going to be 30 degrees. And we also know that this triangle ABF is an isosceles triangle. That means this angle equal to this angle. So if I call this angle alpha, then this angle has got to be alpha as well. So that means now the sum of all these three angles, alpha plus 30 degrees, must be equal to 180 degrees. So let me go ahead and write down alpha plus 30 degrees must be equal to 180 degrees. Now let's go ahead and subtract 30 degrees from both sides. This is gone. So 2 alpha turns out to be 150 degrees. Let's divide both sides by 2. So that means our alpha turns out to be 75 degrees. So therefore, these angles BAF turns out to be a 75 degrees, and this angle BFA is also 75 degrees. Now let's focus on this part. We know that this angle A is 90 degrees and this angle is 75 degrees. So this angle DAE is going to be 90 minus 75 is going to become 15 degrees. Therefore, our angle DAE turns out to be 15 degrees. And here's our final step. Let's focus on this triangle DAE and let's recall exterior angle theorem. And here's our exterior angle theorem. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. In our case, this angle X is our exterior angle, and that is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angles alpha and beta. So therefore, in our case, this angle X is going to be our exterior angle, and that is going to be equal to the sum of this angle 15 degrees and this angle 90 degrees. So therefore, our angle X could be written as 90 degrees plus 15 degrees. So thus our angle X turns out to be 105 degrees. So thus our angle X turns out to be 105 degrees, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.